everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna Tamang. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about L'Oreal Paris skincare product I absolutely love and still use to these days. So this is actually going to be a series. In each videos मैं different brand के बारे में बात करूँगी. But today we are talking about L'Oreal Paris products.
So if you are wondering what's worth spending your money and what to skip, this video is for you.
So let's get started. The first product I want to talk about, and honestly one of my favorite, it's the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. If आप लोगों ने मेरी स्किन केयर वीडियोस पहले से देखा है तो आप लोग को पता होगा कि ये मैंने कितनी बार रेकमेंड किया है because it's really worked for me. This serum is formulated with Melisyl glycolic acid and niacinamide, which are amazing ingredients for reducing dark spots, pigmentation and even melasma. I've started seeing result in just about 3 to 4 weeks, but मैं इसके साथ बहुत रेगुलर थी and अगर आपको भी रिजल्ट चाहिए तो आपको भी ये रेगुलर यूज करना पड़ेगा. And this serum can be used in both in your PM and AM routine, but I personally prefer कि मैं रात को ही अप्लाई करूँ. So here's how I apply it. First I clean my face and ये मैं लगाती हूँ अपने clean and dry face में. So after this, I follow with a moisturizer. This is very important to lock everything in. And few important things to keep in mind. Do not layer with retinol. And do not forget to apply sunscreen next morning and every day. Specifically when you're using active ingredients like glycolic acid. This product is suitable for all skin type. Totally worth it. I love it. And the second product we have L'Oreal Paris Hydrating Gel Cleanser.
This is hyaluronic acid cleanser.
I used to think this is great for combination skin, but I have found better one now. But if you have oily skin or combination skin,
look for a cleanser with acids plus hyaluronic acid and ceramide. This helps exfoliating while keeping your skin barrier intact. And if you have dry to normal skin, skip foaming cleanser. Go for cream based ones with the ceramide and hyaluronic acid. They clean without drying your skin.
And I think this cleanser is not for combination skin.
If you are a normal to dry skin, you can use this. And the third product we have L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Line Filling Water Cream, and my favorite. This one product I'm definitely going to buy again and again, and it's a totally water based cream, super lightweight moisturizer, and it's perfect if you have acne prone skin or combination skin like mine. It feels light on the skin and hydrates really well, and it helps plump and lock in moisture without feeling crazy.
What I love is that it also supports barrier repair, which is great for sensitive or over exfoliated skin.
It infused with hyaluronic acid and ceramide, making it both soothing and deeply hydrating. I especially love using it in my nighttime routine. And if you have oily or combination skin, you will love this product as I do. It works in both AM and PM routine and totally worth it. And the fourth product we have L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Anti-Dark Circle Brightening Eye Serum. I really wanted to love this one, but unfortunately it didn't work for me. I've struggled with dark circles for a long time.
And while this eye serum felt nice at
उसके
first,
बाद मुझे लगा कि उतना ज़्यादा मेरे ऊपर काम नहीं कर रहा है, so I stopped using this serum and I actually found another serum जो कि काम करता है, but ये काम मुझे नहीं किया, like it didn't work for me. But मेरा फ्रेंड जो है वो यही सीरम यूज़ करती है 8-9 मंथ से, and उसको ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा सूट किया है. And it depends, like हर प्रोडक्ट किसी को सूट करता है, किसी को सूट नहीं करता है, so this serum didn't work for me. So fifth product है हमारे पास L'Oreal Paris UV Defender Invisible Resist Daily Sunscreen SPF 50+. This is my third bottle, so you already know I love this sunscreen. It has lightweight and fuel texture, which is super breathable on the skin. See, it's non-greasy and exhausts quickly and does not feel heavy at all. See. Wow.
But if you have oily skin, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. It can leave slightly shiny, dewy finish, especially in humid weather. And if you skip moisturizer, your skin might feel tight or dry in these spots.
So here's what I recommend. Always moisturize before applying this in every morning. Before applying sunscreen, in that way you're giving your skin hydration it needs before locking in it with SPF. Overall, it's a great sunscreen for combination skin, and if you're looking for invisible sunscreen जो आपके मेकअप के भी नीचे अच्छे से flawless बैठ जाए, तो this one is best. Totally worth it. And the next product we have L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Glowing Day Cream. So let's talk about this cream. I have been using it for a while now, and here's what I think. It's really great for uneven, dull skin, especially if you have normal, oily and even combination skin. It has smooth, lightweight texture. It gives soft, light glow
without feeling greasy. It contains glycolic acid, which helps gently exfoliate and brighten up the skin, plus niacinamide and vitamin CG.
So it's great if you are dealing with dark spots, pigmentation and dullness. But this is very important if you have very sensitive skin and you are using strong actives like retinol, तो ये skip करना ही अच्छा होगा because you are already using strong actives like retinol, right? Because it might be too much and it causes irritation and dryness for sure. How I use it, I apply in the morning right after serum, and after that I always follow with the proper sunscreen because glycolic acid can make your skin more sun sensitive. It gives nice glow and hydrates well, and honestly ये dark spots हटाने में भी बहुत help करता है. It's a really nice product, but if you have reactive skin then आप patch test कर लेना before using this.
And the last product we have L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Triple Action Renewing Anti-Aging Serum.
I have used this 2 to 3 times and here's my quick take on it.
It feels really lightweight and smooth on the skin, no stickiness, no heaviness.
Which I appreciate, and it's best for normal to combination skin and थोड़ा सा oily skin के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा ये. And if you have dry skin, you have to layer with a good moisturizer after applying this. Like बहुत अच्छे से moisturize करना पड़ेगा. Overall, it's a very good product, totally worth it. So that's it for today's video. I hope ये helpful रहा होगा आप लोगों को. Let me know आपको क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा. And so that's it for today's video. And let me know what do you think about this products. आपको कैसा लगता है? If आप अभी भी use करते हो तो कौन सा product आपको अच्छा लगता है, कौन सा suit नहीं करता है. I really want to know. Comment down and yeah, bye.